Alright, just going to show you the awesome find I had today. It makes it awesome because it's free, but it's blacksmithing steel. Just stuff people were throwing in a dumpster. That's all solid. This is all real old steel. This comes off. These are solid. So that's all solid steel. Everything's good and solid. Good blacksmithing steel. It's kind of thin. It's good thick. Man, just awesome blacksmithing stuff. Especially this stuff here. Alright, anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Awesome blacksmithing steel find. Keep your eyes out, man. Free stuff is awesome. We'll see you on the next one.